We have to find how many integers we have between -20 and -2. First, what word integers means? Is one of the numbers in the list from -infinity. We have -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So when we have to find all integers and we have word between, it means we have to include both ends of the range. We can always list all these numbers and count them, but we have formula, so we will use this formula when we have to find all integers between m and n, and m is less than or equals n. Then to find all these integers between m and n, we have to subtract from the largest number smaller number, and we have to add 1. Why we add 1? Because we have to include both ends. So in our case, m is equal -20, n is -2. So we have n minus m plus 1 formula. So this is equal -2 minus -20, because m is -20, so we have to put this in parentheses, and we have plus 1. So this is equal -2, negative and negative give me positive plus 1. So this is equal 19. This is my solution.